I have no idea what that was. I don't know why I put that in there, but it's staying in the video, but I've already recorded it at this point in time. So, it's that time of year, Christmas time, and I'm being consistent with my uploads. And in this video, I'm going to get straight to the point of what are some of the best products to put into a Tubz vending machine. Now, if you don't know what Tubz vending machines, it's them ones there. And if you know my channel, if you've seen my channel, if you're a subscriber already, you know I have Tubz vending machines. And I've tried a lot of different products. Just let me sit back and relax a second. Let me just come closer over here a second. Zoom you down a little. Tried a lot of different products, and there's been some that have failed terribly. Like, I bought them, I put them into the machines, and they've not sold. And literally what I've done is I've just sold the full box on eBay because it didn't sell. Then there's some products that I've bought that have just done wonders, and they're the ones I have to just keep buying consistently. So in this video, it's just a top 5 products I personally found on Tubz site for the Tubz vending machine. You can just buy the empty shells yourself and put your own sweets in it. That's completely fine. But the reason why I personally buy from Tubz themselves is very simply because they have the label already in, the product's already in there. It's quite cheap, and not only that, they have all of the ingredients and any allergies on top of the tub. That way you're protected. You know, if someone has an allergy, you can just check on the top, okay, yes, they can't eat. If it's nuts or whatever it is, lactose, I don't know, whatever kind of allergy there is out there, they are protected. Now, I've actually ranked these in order for you guys from the best to the worst. So number 5 isn't terrible, and it's one of the better ones I've actually personally used. However, it's just the 5th best out of these 5. So number 1 actually isn't sweets, it's Avengers Toys. I'm going to leave all the pictures right here for you. It's the Avengers Toys. Now, the reason as to why these work, I don't actually have a clue. They have just always sold quick, so quick. Like, there was a vending machine in one of the barbers, and I was literally going down like every week, and I was just topping up them because they was just selling so quick. I don't know why. And in the end, what I did is I made 2 individual rows. So there's 9 rows on the vending machine. I made 2 individual rows and filled 2 rows with just Avengers sweet toys because they just sold so quick, and they were still selling quicker than anything else on there when there was 2 rows, not just 1. So that is a must. If you're getting these Tubz vending machines, definitely get them Avengers Toys. I promise you, they will work. The second one is Skittles. Skittles, again, just really quick selling. They never sold as quick as Avengers Toys, but they was just always a good seller. I think just because the Skittles, everyone knows, everyone loves Skittles. It's just easy to eat. They just always sold really well. There's not really much else to say. It's just a Skittle, but they always sold well. Number 3 was a new one I tried, and I was really skeptical about these, and it's Millions. I'm pretty sure you've had Millions before, especially from the UK. Millions are beautiful. They taste amazing. But I thought you wouldn't get a lot for the money in the actual tub because it costs around about 45p a tub. But you actually get 3 individual little packets inside these Millions and 3 different flavours. So they actually are pretty good value for money. Like when they're paying, the customer's paying £1, they're getting a pretty good amount of Millions for it. And again, they sold really well. They was one of my top 3 sellers. So again, get that. Now there is going to be 9 different slots in your vending machine because 9 times 9 is 81 individual pots that can go in, 9 individual rows for sweets. However, if you put these 5 inside of your vending machine, just these 5 have 2 rows of Avengers, 2 rows of Skittles, 2 rows of Millions, and 2 rows of the next one, and 1 row of the last one. I guarantee your vending machine will sell out very quickly. Coming in at number 4, it's gonna be Marshmallows. Now, mini Marshmallows, who cares? I never liked them, but they sell quick. I don't know why. Young kids just love marshmallows. It's so easy to eat, especially really young kids. Don't forget, they can't really eat the Skittles, they can't eat the Millions. However, they can eat marshmallows. They're really easy to get down, they just melt in the mouth. So they're always a safe bet. Have them in any vending machine you have because I promise you they will sell quick. And again, it's just good for the younger kids. Maybe that's why the toys sold out so well because they didn't have many like young kid friendly sweets. The Skittles and the Millions, maybe that's why the Avengers Toys did so well, but you know, that's what it is. So just try the Marshmallows as well. And last but not least is mini eggs. Only issue I have, and the reason why these come at number 5, they always sold really well in the winter. In the summer, take them out of your machine because they just melt. And you'll just be throwing stock away for the fun of it. So if you are going to try the mini eggs, which I do recommend, only have them in winter time. So like between October and March, have them after March, maybe April. Start to get ready because it starts to get a bit warmer outside. If your tub is going into like the shop window, then definitely get rid because they just melt. And that goes for any kind of jelly sweet you might pick up yourself. And just a little cheeky one out there, a little tip: don't buy any of the Tubz branded stuff. So on there, I've got an Avengers toy, which is Avengers, Skittles, Millions, Marshmallows, which is Haribo, and then these mini eggs. Mini eggs are actually their own products and their own line, but it sells because they look just like normal mini eggs. But like they have things like Jelly Sharks, Jelly Mix, and I bought them because it was like 35p a tub. They never sold, and you are holding on to stock for such a long time. So don't buy any of that stuff. That is, yeah, don't buy any of it. I think that's it. So hopefully videos helped you. If you are going to start Tubz, then these are the 5 products to get in your machine, because I guarantee it'll sell quick. Then you can test other ones out. But again, don't use... Here for me, I spent a lot of money on buying Tubz own stuff and it didn't sell. So don't buy any of that crap. But any questions about it, let me know. Been your boy Daniel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and any questions, put them in the comment section below. Peace.